Hello friends, this is Node.js and MongoDB project tutorial on online doctor appointment booking system tutorial. And in this part, we will show you how to insert default admin data in MongoDB admin collection using Node.js application. So when first time Node.js application has been connected to MongoDB database, then it will insert default admin data in MongoDB admin collection. And it will insert only one time, and next time it will not insert admin default data into MongoDB database from Node application. In previous part, we have already create admin model for admin data CRUD operation with MongoDB database. Now here, we have to start it to show you how to insert default admin data from your Node.js application. So first, we have to open admin model.js file, and under this file, we have to define default admin data. So here, first we have to define an asynchronous function called insert default admin. And this function will insert a default admin data into our database if no admin's data are currently present in the database. Next we have to count the number of documents in the admin collection by using await keyword with admin collection name dot count documents function. So this function return number of documents stored under this collection. So here we have store this count number in the admin count variable to determine that if any admins already exists or not. Next we have to check if the admin count is equal to 0 by writing if statement with condition like admin count variable value is equal to 0. So this condition ensures that we only insert a default admin data only if no admins currently exist in the database. Suppose there is no admin data found, then it will execute if block of code, and under this block we have to set the number of salt rounds for bcrypt by writing constant salt rounds variable is equal to 10. Here salt rounds determine how complex the password hashing will be, and with higher number indicating more complexity. Next, we define the default plain password for the admin. So here, we do this by writing constant plain password variable is equal to password. So this is the password that will be hashed before being stored in the database. Now we want to hash plain password by using bcrypt library. By writing constant hashed password variable is equal to await keyword with bcrypt.hash method with two parameter like plain password variable and salt rounds variable. So it will convert simple password to securely hashes the password with the specified number of salt rounds. Now we have to create new admin document by using admin model. So we have to write constant default admin variable is equal to new admin model, and under this we have to define default data in an object format. So in first field we have to write admin email address, and here value we have to define admin email details. In second field we have to write admin password, and in value we have to write hashed password variable. In third field we have to write admin name, and in value we have to define admin name details. In fourth field we have to write hospital name, and in value we have to write hospital name details. In fifth field we have to write hospital address, and in value we have to write hospital address details. In sixth field we have to write hospital contact number, and in value we have to define hospital contact number details. And in last field we have to write hospital logo, and in value we have to write image name. So this way we have to define default admin data under this default admin document. Now we have to attempt to save the default admin data to the database by using try and catch block. So first here in try block, we have to write await keyword with default admin.save method. So here, this save method will insert default admin data into MongoDB admin collection. After this, we have to write console.log method with message like default admin data inserted successfully, so this message will be displayed under terminal window. After this, we have goes into catch block, and this block of code will be executed when there is any error occurs during inserting of default admin data. And here, we have to write console.error method, and under this method, we have to write error message like error inserting default admin data with error variable, so it will be display this message under terminal window. So if the save operation is successful, then a message is logged to the console, which indicating success. And if there is an error occur, then it is caught and logged to the console. So here, our insert default admin function is ready, which ensures a default admin is added to the database if no admins are present. Now we want to export this function, so we can use this function in any other file under our Node application. So here in export statement, here we have to write insert default admin function, so this function we can use in another file also. Now, we have goes to server.js file, and here, in header of the file, we have to write insert default admin function name under this import statement of admin model. So when our Node application has been connected with the MongoDB database, and there is no admin data found in database, then it will insert default admin data into MongoDB admin collection. And next time, when again this Node application connect with MongoDB database, then it will not insert default admin data into MongoDB database. Now we want to check output, so here, we have saved this code, and goes into terminal window. And here, we have to run this node server.js command, which will start node server. And here, we can see that our application is connected with MongoDB database. And here also, we can see that default admin inserted successfully, that means default admin data has been inserted into MongoDB database. Now here in MongoDB admin collection, we can see that default admin data has been inserted into this admin collection. So here, in this part, we have successfully created function to insert default admin data into our MongoDB database if there is no admin data exists in database. In next part, we will started creating admin login form and covered front-end code for send login form data to server, so we will be meet in next part.